Yes, very much audible.
And I'm visible also?
Yes, audible.
Okay, okay, great. So what's with Mac? Mac is your real name?
My no, my name Arun. Arun.
Arun is your real name.
Yes, my name is Arun.
Okay, so what's with Mac? Why have you put it
But
up as Mac
I
here?
like this name because I like this name. That's why I used.
That is so nice. That is so nice. Okay. So what should I call you? Should I call you Mac or should I call you Arun?
As you wish.
Okay, fine. I'll call you Mac then. Okay. You like Mac, so I'll be the one who's calling you Mac. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So Mac, how are you?
I am fine. I am good.
You're good. Okay.
Yes,
And where are you from?
I am from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. And how did you get to know about Clippingo?
I was searching video on YouTube, and suddenly I got it.
Okay. You suddenly found our videos, right?
Yes,
Okay. Great. So, and what do you do?
I am pursuing my graduation
In what field?
BTech.
BTech. All right. All right. Great.
Yes.
Lovely. Okay. So, have you been able to identify with the areas where you need working on when it comes to speaking in English?
Sorry.
Have you been able to identify with the areas where you need working while you speak in English? What are your general problems while you are speaking in English?
Sometimes I fumble a lot while speaking, so that's I want to speak fluent. I want to become fluent speaker. So
I want
I
to speak fluently.
yes.
Okay, all right. Any other problems you face?
Uh, Self introduction. How to give self introduction.
You're not able to introduce yourself?
Able to introduce, but scope of improvement is there. I
Okay,
think.
wow, that is very nice. You've identified it, that there is a scope of improvement in your self introduction part. All
Yeah.
right. So, can I give you one random topic and you can speak on it for about 2 minutes? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.
I try.
Let me just, yes, please. Let me just give you one random topic. I'm going to give you the topic is travel. Okay,
Yes.
travel. And within travel, I'm giving you three subtopics. Okay. These three subtopics are: first is where did you go for your last trip, which is the most beautiful place you have visited, and third, which is the future destination that you want to explore. Three options. Okay, let's start.
So, I want to speak with the last.
You want to start with the last one? Okay.
So I haven't ever visited mostly, but I wanted to visit Taj Mahal, and yes, I wanted to visit, but I think whenever I get chance to visit, I will definitely visit there. But I haven't visited. I would like to visit, and Statue of Unity, that is also in my wish list. That if I get chance to visit there, I can. I yes.
Second option. Sorry, second topic.
Second topic, where I have visited.
Which was your last trip? Where did you go for your
La-
last trip?
Last trip. Actually, I haven't visited anywhere at all. Yes.
Okay, that's okay. You have always been in Madhya Pradesh only. You haven't stepped out.
No, I haven't visited.
How is that possible?
It is possible. Because I come from village.
It is possible, okay. So you have never really gotten a chance to go somewhere apart from your state?
Yes, whenever I will get chance, I would like to visit, but till now I haven't visited anywhere uh, except Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, okay, fine. There is this ad, which is on Madhya Pradesh only, which has this very catchy song that is MP Gazab Hai. This is the line that is there. So you are already in a very touristy place, right? Madhya Pradesh is a very nice place for sightseeing and everything. I don't know about it because I haven't been there, but you are already staying there. So tell me about Madhya Pradesh only. What are the attractive sites over there? What are the tourist attractions in your state?
Mm, in my state, famous place. Uh, mm, Ujjain. In Ujjain, there is a place, uh, Mahakal. Mahakal temple, I think Shiva temple. So it is a famous place. Only some few I know, but not lots of place I know. Few, yes.
Okay, okay, fine. You have visited there?
I haven't visited. I would like to visit whenever I get chance.
Okay, okay. All right. Great. Okay. So the sentence that you said, I haven't ever visited anywhere. Okay, this
Yes,
is a little wrong sentence. Instead of this, you can say that I haven't really gone anywhere else apart from my state, or I haven't really gotten a chance to go somewhere else. Okay, this
yes,
can be one line, and not I haven't ever visited anywhere. Okay, then I not know lots of place, or you said not lots of place I know, which is a wrong sentence. You can say,
yes,
I don't know many places, or I'm not aware of many places, or I'm not aware of all the tourist attractions in my state. I just know one, that is the Ujjain one that you just mentioned. Okay? So these are the errors that you're making. So let me just quickly brief you how Clipingo works. Okay? So that you
yes,
can get to know how things are going to happen here for you. You'll be getting two subscriptions. Okay? One is for 15 and the other one is for 25. Okay? Now, whatever subscription you choose, okay, the aim of the app says that for the maximum duration, it is you who has to talk. Okay, you'll be talking. Whatever errors, whatever mistakes you're making, it is our job to pick them up and correct them for you.
yes,
All right, okay.
yes,
So the thing is, just like you said, you are not having the environment in which you can talk in this language, right? That is the main problem. There is a
yes,
lack of environment. Okay, so here you'll get one speaker for yourself, right? You'll get the liberty of talking as much as you want, and at the end of the session, whatever mistakes you've made, will correct you so that you don't make them again.
yes,
Okay, this is like a
yes,
practice. Just because there is lack of practice or lack of environment within your area, that is the reason you're having trouble while speaking in English. Okay,
yes,
once this demand is fulfilled, you will not face this problem.
yes,
Like you said, you want to be more fluent with your speaking, right? You want
yes,
to be a fluent speaker. So this is how you can get that fluency once you get into talking, right? Which is your everyday language. In which language do you speak daily?
Hindi.
Hindi, right? So the thing is this only, you have to talk more and more in English only. Okay.
Yes.
Do you follow any English web series?
Not yet.
You don't follow any web series, not yet. All right.
No. Yes.
So this is another advice from my side. If you get a chance, please do take like 20 minutes or 15 minutes out of your time and follow at least one episode every day.
Yes.
Okay. This will help you with your sentence formations, with your pronunciations, with your vocabulary. These are like sources of input. When you read, when you watch web series or movies, these are sort of sources of input. But you'll have to give an output also. That output comes here when you talk. Okay? So you
Yes.
need both the things. Now, if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me.
You haven't told me your name.
My name is Parveen. Parveen. You
And
must
where
be
are you
getting at the
from?
bottom of your screen. Can you
I
see my name?
haven't checked. I haven't checked. Yes, yes. I got.
Yes, that's
Yes.
my name. Yes.
Where are you from?
I live in Delhi. I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. I would like to visit Delhi also.
Please, please do
Whenever my
visit.
graduation will complete, I will definitely. I would like to visit there.
Absolutely. There are a lot of places for you to visit because you have just been in Madhya Pradesh. You haven't stepped out of your state, so there is like an entire country for you to explore.
So if
Okay.
I will come to Delhi, so where should I visit there?
What all places you want to know? What all places you could visit when you're here in Delhi? There are a lot of places. A lot of places. I don't know. I'm going to tell you the most underrated place in Delhi, but according to me, it's like the most beautiful attraction is the Humayun's tomb.
One of
Humayun's tomb
my
is the
classmate,
most beautiful.
one of my classmate lives there in Delhi.
In Delhi. Okay, in which area does he or she live?
Uh, I think in Rajin Nagar. I think yes, Rajin Nagar.
So Rajan Nagar, Rajendra Place.
Nagar.
Nagar. Okay, I'm not aware of that place. I don't know. So I'm just telling you the most beautiful attraction here is Humayun's tomb. It is lovely. It is absolutely stunning. The architecture is amazing. So if you want to visit any tourist attractions here in Delhi, so please do go to Humayun's tomb in the very beginning. Very first attraction should be Humayun's tomb for you.
Yes.
Okay. What else you want to know?
So, can I know your what is your age?
My age, I'm 22.
22-year old.
Yes, I'm 22 years
Can
old.
you guess? Can you guess my age?
Please don't make me do this. I don't guess ages because I'm very bad at it. Very, very bad. So, tell me your
Uh,
age. You can tell me like straightforwardly what is your age.
I'm 20-year old.
You're 20 years old. Okay.
Yes.
I'm 2 years. Actually, you're 2 years younger to me. Great, great. That is fine. All right. Anything else you want to know? Next.
And apart from that, you have told what is scope of improvement in my
Scope of
communication.
improvement. See, we will never stop learning, right? The scope of improvement is always there, always. All right. So the thing is, I have told you what all things you require, what all things are actually lacking within you, so that you are not. That is why you're not able to like fluently converse in English. Okay. So the main thing is you need environment. One, you need environment in which you can talk. You need someone who you can talk to. Do you talk to someone in English? Is there anyone who you can talk to?
One of my classmate is there. I used to speak with him daily.
Okay, that is very nice, very nice. Please do
Yes.
continue with that habit. Two things. Third is if you get time, please do watch one English web series, or if you get time, you can watch any movie, whatever you like. But the thing is, it should be in English. Okay,
Yes.
these are the things that you require. And other than that, if you're talking here, obviously you need to be corrected with your mistakes, right? You cannot continue to speak in the wrong way. That is the main thing you require. You need to be corrected. Okay, so you're
Yes.
gonna get that here. Not a problem, not an issue. Okay, what else you wanna know?
Uh, uh, mm, how can I introduce myself?
See, the introducing yourself is something which should have like all the basic points, right? When you're introducing yourself, your name, where you're from, what's your age, okay? What are you doing? What are you passionate about? Okay, how you see yourself? What are your weaknesses, your strengths? These are the points that should be there within your introduction. Okay. What do you mean by introduction? Introduction is something that when you tell these lines to someone, when you're speaking out these lines in front of a person, that person should get like a rough idea what sort of a person you are. right?
What
We just, yes.
what you know about yourself?
Yes, exactly. What you know about yourself, how you see yourself. Okay? We just
Mm,
need to give the other person a rough idea. We can say a blueprint of us that, okay, this is the person I am, and this is the personality of mine, and this is how I go about things. So, this should include within your introduction. That is how you introduce yourself. Okay?
Okay.
In introduction, you don't have to give like big lines and you have to tell just everything about yourself. No, there is no need for that. Just a brief introduction. You're introducing yourself to something that you can give an idea about who you really are. That's all.
So
Anything else?
thank. No, that's all I wanted to know.
Great, great. Okay. So I'm sure I was able to answer all your questions.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Lovely. Lovely to meet you, Mac. You're welcome. You're welcome.
thank you for
Conversing.
conversing with
Great.
you.
Great. With me. Thank you for conversing with me, or you can say thank you for talking to me.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Great meeting you. Great. Have a nice night. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.